you guys, I'm back. Welcome to the vlog. I think, yeah, this is starting off the vlog. Today is another day. I have my hair in a ponytail and I just left the front out. I think I might have to run the straightener over these pieces like later. Right now I'm not gonna mess with them though, but they have become a bit fuzzy in this little part right here. But we're going to the beach. It's not that cold out. I mean, it's not that hot, but we figured, you know, why not? Because it's not getting any warmer. It's not getting any warmer. So I got, you know, my outfit on. I just got some shorts. My bathing suit is underneath. And then no makeup, just my blemished face. We're getting there to clear skin. Anyways, we're gonna go. I have my bags packed, everyone's getting ready. And make sure I put my phone away.
Two chicken or 3 pieces of tender. 2 big sides.
Yeah. My bag.
So you feel good out here?
Okay, y'all, so we're outside. We're about to, I think we're going to a dollar store first, and then we're gonna head out.
Chips. No.
Kinda hot. Yeah. I don't know what Big Lots is, or Winn-Dixie, I think. I wonder what they sell. Save the money, I go run way over. Oh. Yeah. It's huge in here. You need one carrot or no? I don't know. How are you in here for? Alright, you guys, so we are at the beach. It got hot quick. Well, the sun's out here though. Lord, pray for my self-rest. Either way, if it gets too hot, I'm gonna wrap that thing up. I will wrap it up and put on a hat. But it feels good though. Feels good. I think we gotta pay for parking. Oh yeah, change out here. Whoa. Going to the beach.
How much people there there?
Where? Look at this little one right here. And these two. Which one do you want to sit? Which? Ask him what? Oh. Yeah, amazing. I don't see not one. Oh, yeah, yeah.
No, that's why I look at me and see.
Yeah. Di ba siya pipagan ni Pat?
Oh. Look at this. Okay,
Yeah, me just a try thing. Come in, I want to get my scarf wet.
yeah. You know what?
My scarf. I don't want to get it wet. I need that thing. So she also. I said, I know you can't find your pink. Grandma, because we get the fine video.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
y'all, I'm back. I am back. I was in the water and then I was taking some pictures. So I'm gonna put my hair back in a ponytail now. It's windy. But it's so nice. Like, this is the perfect weather to go to the beach. Perfect. Like, it's not hot, but it's not like cold. And the wind, like, it's perfect. Huh? Oh. Yo, look how, what's it say? Look how these birds are, y'all. I hope you guys can see them. Let me zoom in. Y'all see them? Like, they congregated right there. I'm gonna eat my muffin. We got grandma here. Alright, y'all. So we are back. I've been back. Took a shower and everything, and I'm about to do a quick makeup look so that we can go out to eat. I think we're gonna go to Bahama Breeze. So yeah, these are all the, you know, stuff we wore today. My hair's tied up, but I wrapped it when I got home, so yeah. Because I'm not doing much. I already did my lashes. Like, I got singles. They're not perfect, but I'm trying. Just do my eyebrows first. We're trying to go to this other place called Rocco's Tacos, but it's the wait time is really long. So, you know, we gotta find somewhere else. I love Bahama Breeze though. And it's not that expensive, but like it sells like really good food, Caribbean food. So I'm always down to go. Let me blend my stuff out. Okay. Then I'll be soaking my beauty blender. Because, you know, using a wet beauty blender gives you like a better look, in my opinion. For foundation, I just use Fenty Skin, which is darker than my skin, but child, I still like it. in both of these in? Yeah? Yeah. Alright, y'all, makeup is all done. Oh. Yeah. Alright, you guys, so I'm all done with my makeup. Someone's in the bathroom, but I was helping my mom off camera, so I couldn't really film the whole process. But yeah, all done. I'm about to put my dress on and take my hair down. So I'll be back to show y'all how that looks. Yeah? Alright, y'all, so this is the dress I'm wearing with the back like that. You know, y'all. This is how it's kind of looking. Alright, you guys. Yep. So this is my outfit. The back is what made me buy it. But yeah, I don't have heels on, but I'm gonna put those on. And then I just have my cute purse with me that matches my hat. No, my heels. But yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures and then we're gonna head out. Alright, so we're heading out. Got my heels in hand because who's wearing them? Oh, go ahead, mommy. Who? Alright, y'all, so we're at Bahama Breeze now. What? They can't record you? It's nice.
Yeah, it's gonna look better than the one in Miami. I know that.
Yeah.
There's not that much people. It's gonna look pretty good. So.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Yeah, definitely looks like the one better than Miami.
Because I don't care. So I can make daily vlogs on TikTok. So anyways, y'all, I got the buttermilk chicken. Look, my mom got the scallops and stuff. What, the broccoli? They always mess up the broccoli.
No, but they put something over it.
Hey guys, I'm back. So we're back from the restaurant. The food was okay. I don't know. It didn't taste as great as like the past few times that we've been there, but it was alright. And it was alright. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed. I might end this vlog here because I might upload like a couple daily vlogs instead, because I feel like I have good enough footage. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. Thank you guys once again for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.